Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the weather forecast, it's raining. So guys, I'm getting ready to go. They say it's going to be raining all the way to Saturday. So this is the kind of weather that we're going to have. So we're here now at Plumpton, guys. And it's wet, look. Puddles everywhere. What else are you expecting raining times, eh? Yeah, so... And what's good about having it raining, right? There's not much people out to come out shopping. You know, so you got a car park. Anyway. Oh, are you going doctors? Guys, I'm going to show you this free market that I always come to here in Plumpton. Yeah, it's like a really nice fruit shop. I'll start from this side. They even have the ready-made fruit salads. I buy this quite a lot for my mom. Watermelon already chopped up, the yogurt. I'll go back a bit so that you can see it properly. Look guys, this is a dragon fruit. Sometimes it's red, sometimes it's white. I don't know which one that is. Wonder how you can tell the color. Yummy. They even have passion fruit. The golden kiwi. Ooh. This is a sweet one. And look how big they are. This is in the palm of my hand. And then the pomegranate. Then I got the custard apple. They're not soft just yet, but yummy. Custard apple, $9.99 a kilo. And this Fuji fruit, I've never had this ever, so I don't know what it looks like inside. Yeah, does anyone know what this looks like inside? And is it sweet, sour, what is it? Never had it, but it's a Fuji. Then they got the chestnuts and the apples, of course. Look how big the avocados are. Avocados. Guarantee you, if I was to pick avocado right now, out of all the avocados here, I'll pick ones with the brown marks inside, ripened. But they always have the ones for the shops, ripened and sweet, faster than the ones at home. Anyway. Have this plum, yummy. Have a smell, guys. Smell fresh? Hang on, I have some. Look, guys, in New Zealand, feijoas fall on the ground and they waste. And here, you get 2 feijoas for $5. But this, I don't even know what this is. Oh, have I seen this growing on some people's trees? It's sour. What do you think? Has anyone eaten this? Comment down below, guys, if you've had that. There goes that face that they always talk about. See, look, the 2 eyes, the mouth, and where do you crack? I think it's up here somewhere, eh? Okay, I love this fruit shop. This is the fruit shop that I love coming to. Yeah, and these guys are, you know, like, I'm telling you, they don't advertise to say theirs is fresh food people, but their vegetables and fruits are fresh. Well, fresh to me anyway. This is where I come and get my my garlic already peeled. You know, because you can have a bit of hassle peeling garlic. So they already got the ready peeled ones, yeah? Look how nice and shiny their vegetables are. See, this is why I love this fruit shop. Love, love, love. Oh, look how massive these pears are. Wow, and these are the sweet pears. Wow, 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 wow. Oh well, guys. I thought I'd show you guys around beautiful fruit shop. New Zealand kumara. Yeah, that's one of the nice fresh vegetables, guys. You come here and get it. But as for now, I'm going to sign out and leave the fruit shop. See, this is how I know I've got a big head. But the head's pretty stretchy, so not bad. Yeah, you gotta stretch it for a bit, I guess, because it can give you a headache. This is a nice hat. So guys, looks like Faye has a new hat to go with me. And then they go, security. Look at this, guys. I like this. It's a large. I think I'll get that. And look at the streets, ice cream. That's my purchase for today, guys. What? I got me 2 purchases. Oh, what did you get? This one. Yeah, it'll be nice for Dad.
Well, no, not for the cause of it.
Oh, well, it's not for me.
If no one wore nice clothes,
Yeah.
with like a nice pair of jeans.
Exactly. But anyway, this is my purchase. So this is me. I like this hat. Yeah. Yes, please. And that's all. Oh, and my hat. And my cool hat. Bam. Yeah, this is the life you wanted. Yeah, gotta start somewhere. Well, how do you think it's gonna be for free?
What's up, you guys?
So we're here to have breakfast, and I'm ordering egg Benedict with salmon.
Well, yeah.
What do you guys want?
What do you want?
Oh, mango smoothie, please. No. Noah, what do you guys want?
Yeah, get chips and salmon.
Go order with Sharon, then she can pay for it.
Well, I thought you wanted us to pay.
No,
Why is she paying for you?
I'm paying for us.
For you too.
Yeah, I can pay for you two too.
What's this? What is this?
Và ai ska mà dùng là đi ngay anh phải khẩu lắm nhà anh phải.
What? Are you backstabbing?
I'm talking about lower country to buy their lunch together. How much did it cost? $50. 54. Yeah, no one's gonna pay for our meal.
No, who's gonna pay for your meal? Mango smoothie and
Cheers, guys.
That's another one. Yeah.
Very nice. Thank you.
yo. What'd you get, Mum?
Egg Benedict with salmon. You got a nice salad.
Do you want some?
Yeah, I dropped the eggs on top
You
of
only
the
get 3
thing.
pieces of each.
I thought it was gonna be one big. Oh, yours looks nice.
Yeah, sorry we can't wait for you. I rigged it up there. It should be 2 pieces of fish. Show you.
What?
But it's like one whole one.
Usually when I come away, it's a sandwich. Some kind of sandwich, wrap, roll, something. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, the whole night sauce is always nice. Thank you very much. Yeah, that looks better. I hope they learn from it so they don't make mistakes. Thank you very much. Thank you. Take care. Uh-huh. What? No. Yeah, open it. Show it to me. No, I don't want that Siggy Saggy one. That's the one I saw. Because I like it. It's like an Indian pattern. And it's got the arms. See, it's got the arms.
What size is it?
I think it's one size fit me. I like how it's got the sleeve. Yeah, it is. Oh, it tastes alright to me. You just gotta have salt in it and...
Yeah, we got a blood with salt.
Not really.
Talofa today. That means new stuff's on sale.
Yeah. Ribbon garlic, yum. Okay. We should try it, eh? Yeah, wait. I want wholemeal and green. They got a nice taste to it. These are really good, Sharon. Half price, get 2. Oh, don't forget, I need the milk. Anyway, I've got the sausages down there. Loneliness. Emptiness.
I watch you all the time. I say to my husband, I see her on the video. This is so nice. Congratulations on your show.
Oh,
I
thank
love watching
you.
your show.
Oh, thank you.
No, it's really nice.
Nice to meet you. What are you doing? Hang out with your kingy.
You're right.
Hang out with your kingy.
She doesn't dump you in the next like 3 months. Some people said.
By the time you get it straight, it's finished.
I already have mine done.